Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. And this class we have learned that how to link your file to CSS. How to link I will show you, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. My video is very short because I will come intermediate level, so you can see I will come at intermediate level. Okay, so this is my last class of for beginners, and I will come in intermediate. Okay, so let's start. Here I will open Sublime Text Tree, and here I will know, and here I will go find new, and here I will go, and here I will write index.html. Then I will go here I will, and here I will write index.css, and here I will go, here I will write html, and here I will write document, and document. Then I will, and here link. First of all, here I will write link rel style sheet. Here I will write href, and now here you can write index.css. So here you will link that. Okay, so you can link that, and here index, no, here I will write style. Okay, here I will go, and here I will write style. Okay, so here I will erase that style.css. Then over, go here I will write style.css. It doesn't working because here, so you can see. And now here I will link that. So now here I will write, here I will define it, and I will write paragraph. Paragraph should be my name is Ryan Big. I am for the developer, and graphic designer. We love developing and graphic designing. So I will save it, and now here I will go, and here I will write paragraph, and here I will write font. Family should be Roboto. Here I will write Roboto, and here I will write serif, and here I will go, and here I will write font. Size should be 25 pixels, and go here I will, and now here I will write font weight should be bold. Then I'll save it I will, and here I will go to open it. So doesn't working. Why? I will see you here. I will open. It doesn't working. I will see you. So here I will go. You can see easily. I will come. My developing. My name is Anbek. I am developer and graphic designer. We love developing and graphic designing. So you can see. And here I will go. And here I will go. And here I will copy that. And here I will paste that. Then save it, and go my here, then refresh. You can see, you can come more lines. Okay, so you can see easily I will come how to link that and write that. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. So my next videos come intermediate level. So wait and come here. I will come my intermediate level. So for today, goodbye.